what the true meaning of Uruban Atraba in chapter 56, ayah 37 is, especially the word Uruban. Allah is calling Muslim women Uruban in Jannah. What is the meaning of Uruban? So, what did Allah call the queens of Jannah? Uruban Atraba, the Muslim women, when they go to Jannah. What did Allah call them? What did Allah call your mothers, your daughters, and sisters in Jannah? Ya Muslimin. Let us see. So this is the ayah, chapter 56, ayah 37. Uruban Atraba. Uruban Atraba. So I went to As-Suyuti, his book, Jalaluddin As-Suyuti, to show you what the meaning was last time. And I provided my own English translation. And immediately Muslims started to call me a liar and deceiver, as I mentioned. Here is the book of Al-Imam Al-Hafiz Jalaluddin As-Suyuti. Ta'lif Al-Imam Al-Hafiz Jalaluddin As-Suyuti. So, Suyuti's book, in his book Shaqa'iq al-Atraj fi Raqa'iq al-Ghunj. In his book on page 69, as we mentioned last time, we can find the following. Here is the ayah again. Uruban Atraba, chapter 56, ayah 37 of the Quran. Crystal clear in front of you. And here what the meaning is of Uruban. Here is the meaning of Uruban. أطبق المفسرون وأهل اللغة على أن العرب جمع عربة أو عربة أو عرب وإنها القحبة وإنها القحبة. So the meaning of عرب or عربا is القحبة, the whore. I truly did not want to use this Arabic filthy word, this filthy word in Arabic, but you Muslims forced me to show you what the Muslim women will be called in Jannah. Your mothers, your sisters and daughters will be called whores in Jannah. A whore. Now, Muslim ladies who are listening and watching, you are called a whore in the Jannah of Allah, in the paradise of Allah, by Allah Himself. Because remember, the Quran is the speech of Allah. He's calling you Uruban Atraba. Do you have some self-dignity? Do you have some self-respect to accept that about yourself, being called a whore, al-qahba, by Allah Himself and His Prophet? Do you have some dignity to accept that your mother who gave birth to you, who carried you 9 months in her womb, to be called a whore? Ya Muslimin? Do you have some dignity to stay one split second in this evil, perverted, disgusting cult of Muhammad, to be called like that? Ladies, wake up, please. Let me play a short video clip from another Arabic speaker who's going to read the same book and confirm what I just said in the Arabic.
نخش بقى على تفسير نص قرآني جميل جدا بقى في كتاب شقائق. احنا نكبر كده. شقائق الأترج في رقائق الغنج للإمام الحافظ جلال الدين السيوطي. تحقيق وتعليق الدكتور محمد سيد رفاعي، طبع دار الكتاب العربي دمشق. أو كتاب تاني مرة تانية. شقائق الأترج للإمام السيوطي. في صفحة 69 بيقول يا جماعة، أنا متردد والله، معلش بقى سامحوني بقى. في صفحة 69 بيقول إيه؟ 69 بيقول إيه؟ قال تعالى في صفة نساء أهل الجنة: إنا أنشأناهن إنشاء فجعلناهن أبكارا عربا أترابا. الواقع 35-37. بصوا بيقول إيه بقى؟ الكلام مش هتلاقوا على مواقع. خدوا بقى الزبد بقى. أطبق المفسرون وأهل اللغة. شوف ما يجيش واحد مسلم يتمضرط يقول لك أهل اللغة المفسرون أهل اللغة على أطبق المفسرون أهل اللغة على أن العرب جمع عربة أو عربة أو عروب، وإنها القحطة. أنا آسف في اللفظ يعني، مكتوبة كده في الكتاب على فكرة، جماعة اليوتيوب بيشوفوا بس مش هتشوفوا. أطبق المفسرون وأهل اللغة على أن العرب جمع عربة أو عروب، وإنها القحط.
Now, I want to ask any Muslim woman, do you accept that about yourself? Do you have any honor, self-respect, or dignity to accept that about you, to be called a whore, a prostitute in the Jannah of Allah? Please wake up. Thanks for watching, and God bless.